pull all the way across. Similar to pulling across on the traps as well. And sometimes it feels good to pull straight across, and sometimes it feels good to pull up on an angle. But no matter how you do it, you want to sit down with your whole body, and you are actually rotating their thigh as you do it. And so it's really opening up the muscles. Is that too much?
No.
Feel good? And sitting down, as Jonathan and Christy do so well. Sitting down and pulling. You want to make sure you have a good grasp so you don't go flying across the room.
To the next table.
That'll be our outtakes. Somebody back there hopefully will catch me. So these, the lateral thigh muscle, vastus lateralis, actually wraps all the way around anteriorly. And of course it's going to cross the knee, so I don't want to skimp near the lateral knee, I want to include that. And then I'm going to take some of my angles upwards and some of my angles downwards, but include up towards the greater trochanter area. I can make some of these faster, more like a lapping pulling stroke, and I can make some of them more like a stretching pulling stroke. And then I can do fulling from the opposite side as well. So I'm going to take that tissue, push it down, and pull it off the bone. Similar to what I showed you before, but a different angle like this really helps you release different parts of the muscle well. So you can see my hand is on her popliteal area, but I'm using a lot less pressure. The nervy, the part of the popliteal area that has nerves and arteries, is the part right in the center, so you want to contact that gently. The muscles of the calf and the thigh cross on the lateral aspects. They actually hook together like those little monkeys. What are the monkeys that hold hands? Monkeys in a barrel. So the outer ones cross up, the upper ones cross up like that. So, but they're on the sides. So you don't want to totally ignore the back of the knee, but you don't want to press hard in the middle. But these muscles that cross over are actually very good to talk to. So you're applying basically more pressure on the lateral aspects, and the middle aspect you're just talking to it very gently. But you will feel, as you release these muscles, you will feel how they cross over, and your strokes will be incomplete if you talk to the calf up to here and you talk to the thigh up to here, and then you skip all this important juncture, because of course muscles cross joints to create movement. That's their whole purpose. So you actually have to talk to how they cross over the joints. Not just because it feels better and is more complete, but because it actually functionally addresses the functional problems better. I don't know if you can tell, but that is a lot of work done, and we haven't even used friction yet.